Greetings, YouTube, and welcome to Atlanta Hobby. It's also known as UAV Experts. It's found here in Cumming, Georgia. It is 6110 Parkway North Drive in Cumming, Georgia, 30040. Now, the owner of the place is a man by the name of Cliff Whitney. Their phone number is 678-513-4450. And there you see Atlanta Hobby, atlantahobby.com. We're going to go in here and check it out and see what we got hanging around in here. Now, this place is off the beaten path, but as you can see, got plenty of models hanging from the ceiling and on the shelves. We're going to go on back here to Atlanta Hobby's showroom and see what we have. Now, as I go through the door, you're going to see a lot of stuff hanging from the ceiling. This guy loves to hang stuff from the ceiling. He's got lots of models hanging. We're going to go down the aisle. You're going to see lots of Traxxas. You're going to see lots of Horizon Hobby. As you can see, he's got quite the selection of cars, trucks, planes, boats, drones. Just about anything you could want for your hobby. We're also going to have back here in the back, he's got this Radian motor glider. Looks like it's got a bunch of LEDs up underneath the wing so you can fly it at nighttime. Made by Horizon Hobby. We're going to move on down, move on through. You can see he's got plenty of planes, FPV planes, boats. I was just amazed when I went in here. He's got plenty of parts for you. I'd look him up, see if maybe he's got something you might like. Right on around here, around the corner, you're going to see all your stuff you're going to need for building your planes, your backpacks, and what have you. Move on down this aisle right here. He's got him some more fixed wing aircraft. That almost looks like the Bixler hanging there. That's the FPV Radian. Really nice, really nice. I've been to this place a couple of times. Look at that F-16. How about that? I've been to this place a couple of times. I really like going there during my lunch break. He's also got a full service shop back here in the back. You got guys sitting around working on cars and working on drones and what have you. That young man sitting back there is a magician when it comes to drones. This is going to be his propeller wall. He's got those bins are all full of propellers. You can see we got a rotorcraft sitting there. I'm going to hold my hand up and show you just how big this rotorcraft is. It's a huge helicopter. Really nice helicopter. He's going to have the wings and everything you need for replacement parts. There's your Park Zone flyer. You can hear my phone whistling. We move on around through here. There's some more parts and pieces you might need for your fixed wing aircraft. Got them cut out puzzle pieces. Now these tables are where it's at. It's got a lot of DJI stuff. There's your Mavic Zoom in a nice box. Mavic Pro. There's your Inspire. Really nice. Really nice. Inspire 1. There's your Inspire 2. Got a nice price tag on it. And this, I'm not sure what model that is. It's a DJI, but it's huge. It's massive. It's got like 14, 15-inch props on it. And a healthy price tag too. These are going to be your motors and your batteries that you see in them bins. Like I said, this guy's got a lot of stock hanging around. He's also got a simulator station set up. So if you want to learn how to use a simulator, you can do that. There's your GoPros. And I'll head on around this table right here. Nice little racer right there. Got the run cam on it. Some little there's going to have some more racers. Now, granted, his prices are a little high, but this guy's got to pay rent. You know, you might be able to find stuff cheaper somewhere else, but you got to remember this guy's got to pay rent, electricity, and everything else. He does have this X-Fly. I believe it was $59, $69. I don't remember what it was. And he also has this Jetpack Commander, $49.99. Pretty cool. This little box set, the Stinger, is ready to fly. It means it comes with the transmitter, comes with the box, everything you need to fly. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I'm going to flip on around here in a minute. I'm going to show you what we got over here on these shelves that are behind this table. He's got more of that. Jetpack Commander. He's got the DX6E. He's got a lot of transmitters. He's got the DX8. He's also got, I believe it was IX12. Nice transmitter. There next to the IX12, you're going to see your chargers. Down below there, you're going to have these robots. I've been really interested in these. I saw those last time I was here, and I actually thought about purchasing myself one. Right there, you're going to have your Inductrix. He's got a nice price on them Inductrix. About as cheap as I've seen it anywhere else. Andromedas. A lot of Horizon. I'm not sure what model that is right there, but it looks like it might be a brushless model. Pretty cool. Got the lollipop antenna on it. Your Fat Shark 101, that's going to be your drone training system. Pretty cool, pretty cool. You're going to have your Immersion RC. More Horizon. That's going to be your rotorcraft. Looks like it's going to be a collective pitch helicopter. Really nice. Like I said, he's got a lot of battery chargers. This guy's got a lot of stock hanging around, just waiting for somebody to come in and grab her up and take her home with him. He's got a lot of his racing props right there, as you can see. Boxes and boxes and boxes of them. I could spend days in here and never see the same thing twice. Right there, you're going to have your QAV Sharpoo. I don't know exactly how you say it. You're going to have your Riot. Got the nice popsicle antenna on it. This one, I've gone back to again. As you can see, really nice, really nice. Looks like it's got a run cam on it. Really like the way it's built. Looks like it's got diversity antennas on it. It just didn't have any tilt on the camera, I don't think. I looked at the front of it here. As you can see, it's facing straight forward. I guess it's more of a freestyle bird than anything else. What I really like is it's got this stuff out so you can actually hold it in your hand and touch it. I was in a little bit of a hurry. I'm sorry about that, but I only get so much time for a lunch break. And there's your electrical connections and everything you need for your batteries and wiring up your PCBs and what have you. I'm going to scoot on around one more time and look down low. I really wanted to show you these electric flyers he's got hanging here. Most of this stuff up hanging from the ceiling is electric. Look at the size of that soaring glider up there. And then we're going to move on back through the back, look down in the cases and see what he has in the cases. A lot of warbirds. A lot of warbirds. I guess he flew a lot of warbirds in his time. I found something laying here on the end of the counter. It's like a folder, but look at the size of this motor. It's a huge motor, but it folds all up. I don't know exactly what it is, to tell you the truth. Never seen anything like it before. Down here in the bottom, he's got some DJI goggles at quite a decent price. I believe it was something like $149 for some DJI goggles. That's a good deal, it sounded like to me. On around here, he's got a lot of the Mavic Pro propellers and what have you. Now I'm gonna scoot on through here, and I'm gonna film some of these birds he's got hanging from the ceiling. This thing, I've never seen anything like it. He's got propellers on the wings and propeller out front, sort of like that Osprey that you see that the United States Marines have. We're going around, and he's got what looks like I don't know exactly what it was. Oh, here's your Delta Wing for you guys who like to fly that fixed wing Delta Wing. It's a pusher prop. Looks like it's been rigged up for some FPV out front there. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I'm gonna move on around. He's also got t-shirts here that he'll sell to you for $10 or $12. I don't remember exactly how much they were, but it wasn't much. He has a few toys for the kids if you want to buy your kids some toys. Ah, what do we have here? Jungle Fever. That's one of them older tank models. I thought that was pretty cool. It's a good size. I was afraid to even put my hand up there and try to touch it. Here, I'll show you how big that prop is. It goes clear from my fingertips up to my elbow. That's a huge, huge prop. Must be a really, really cool flyer. Like I said, I like it. He has it out there where you can actually reach out and touch it and handle it. A lot of people never even get to handle something like that. Ah, P-51 Mustang. This is the bird that won the war in the Pacific for us. Started out with a... I don't remember the kind of engine it had in it, but when they put the Rolls-Royce Merlin engine in it is when the plane really excelled. They had to change over to 4 props, go from 3 props to 4 props, and that's when the flyers there in the Marianas turkey shoot started shooting down all these Japanese Zeros. Japanese Zeros had no chance against the P-51 Mustang. That P-51 Mustang was loaded down with 4 50 cal machine guns. You imagine somebody shooting a half-inch of lead at you at probably 800 rounds per minute. That's a lot of rounds coming at you. He had a couple of them sitting there. Right there, you're going to have a B-17, it looks like to me. That's the bird that dropped the bombs on Nagasaki and Hiroshima. The Enola Gay, I believe, is the name of that aircraft. We come on around. There you see the 4-bladed P-51 Mustang. That's true to form. In that dive like it was going after a Japanese Zero. They say it was Whispering Thunder is what they called it. P-51 it's a smaller bird. It makes a very distinctive sound. If you've ever been around one, makes a very distinctive sound when it's flying. I'm going to come on around. I'm looking at these things he's got hanging from the ceiling. There's another P-51 Mustang. Beautiful aircraft. Absolutely beautiful. Then we're going to come on around. It looks like there's a old Piper Cub. Old 2-seater. Ah, that looks like the old P-40. I'm not sure, but looks like an old trainer, World War II trainer. Saw a couple biplanes. I just love that P-51 Mustang. There's his adhesives and what have you. Like I said, this fella, he's got a nice little place. It's clean. He's got several kinds of parts laying around. Balsa wood. I'm going to head on back out now. You go down this hallway. Atlanta Hobby, the Phantom has landed. There's her web address and phone number, just in case you want to call, see what's going on with them. We're going to head on back out now. Like I said, this place is off the beaten path. It took me a while to find it. I'd heard about it. And I'm going to head on back out the door. I'm going to show you this flyer that's hanging on the door right here. He's given drone training classes. First day includes half room of classroom instruction, half day of flight, second day advanced flying, and lunch provided. If I was going to take classes, this guy's the guy I'd want to take them from. Nevertheless, y'all give my good friend a call down there at UAV Experts. His name's Cliff Whitney. His number's 678-513-4450. The web address is www.uavexperts.com. His email address is diffw@uavexperts.com. This is Silvertop Flyer, signing off.